Hey future doctors and healthcare heroes, welcome back to the channel. You have conquered the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, NEET UG, congratulations. But now comes the next big challenge, NEET UG counseling. It can feel like a maze, right? With so many different authorities and procedures like MCC, State Counseling, AFMC, Ayush. How do you make sense of it all? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to secure your dream medical seat. Let's dive in. Well, I just want to talk about that since you have got your NEET score, now admissions to MBBS, BDS and even Ayush courses happen through various counseling bodies. Think of it as different gates leading to different types of colleges, isn't it? Yeah. So broadly, we have two categories, all India quota and state quota seats, plus special cases like AFMC and Ayush. And in this video, I'll be dealing with all of them. So need not to worry. One by one करके चलते हैं. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताती हूँ regarding MCC counseling के बारे में, the central gateway. So the MCC कहिए या फिर आप कहिए Medical Counseling Committee, it is a central body. Fine. So they handle the seats that are open to the candidates from across India or those within the central institutions. What does it cover? Now let's talk about. Number one, 15% all India quota seats. So that 15% of all MBBS and BDS seats in every government medical and dental colleges nationwide. Okay? So they are, I'll just say these are available to all the eligible NEET UG candidates regardless of their home state. Secondly, it also covers 100% seats in deemed universities. So all the MBBS or BDS seats in private deemed to be universities, they all fall under MCC counseling. Be aware that these private deemed to be universities, these typically are going to have higher fee structures, okay? Now, third important thing which it covers is 100% seats in central universities. Think institutions like AMU, BHU, Delhi University, Faculty of Medical Sciences. So their MBBS seats are filled exclusively through MCC only. Talking about one more important thing which it covers, I'm talking about the MCC, 100% seats in AIIMS and JIPMER. All the prestigious AIIMS institutions and the JIPMER campuses in Puducherry and Karaikal, they actually admit the students solely through MCC only. Fine. Now, finally, 15% all India quota seats of ESIC medical colleges, they are also covered. Additionally, ESIC has its own quota for insured persons and their wards, which is also filled through MCC counseling only. ये हमने MCC counseling के बारे में सब बताया आपको. अब मैं बात करती हूँ state quota counseling, your local gateway. While MCC जो है, it actually handles the national pie. Each state has its own counseling authority to manage the majority of seats within its boundary. For I'll just talk about 85% state quota seats. Okay, so this is the lion's share of MBBS or BDS seats in government colleges within a state, primarily for the candidates who meet the state's domicile. I just want to say the residency criteria basically. Secondly, जो state quota है वो क्या cover करता है? 100% seats in state private medical dental colleges. Private medical or dental colleges. So all the private colleges, not deemed universities, they are filled through their respective state counselings. So domicile is the key here. Okay, so बनवा के रख लीजिएगा. You must prove your residencies as per the state's rule to be eligible for these seats. अब बात करते हैं तीसरे तरह की काउंसलिंग के बारे में, AFMC counseling, the specialized path. So for a truly unique path, the Armed Forces Medical College Pune. This is not just about NEET UG, it's about the commitment to serve. So MBBS at AFMC Pune, all the seats जो इस particular college में fill होती हैं, they are through a very specific multi-stage process. So यहाँ पर what sets AFMC apart is सबसे पहले NEET UG qualification होनी चाहिए. So you must first qualify the NEET UG and meet AFMC's specific cutoff. Secondly, MCC के through registration होगा. So you need to register on the MCC website and select AFMC as an option. क्रूशियली आपको मैं एक और बात बताना चाहूंगी कि यू मस्ट ऑल्सो अप्लाई डायरेक्टली ऑन द AFMC ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। उसके बाद शॉर्टलिस्टिंग होगा बेस्ड ऑन द नीट स्कोर एंड द एप्लीकेशंस। सो इफ यू आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर द फर्दर स्टेजेस, आपको एक एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा, TOELR, टेस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, लॉजिक एंड रीजनिंग। So it is a computer-based test assessing your logical reasoning, verbal ability, psychological aptitude. ठीक है, उसके बाद after you clear the exam, there is an interview. You'll face an interview with the AFMC selection board. After you clear the interview, there will be a medical examination. A medical checkup is mandatory in order to ensure कि you are meeting the physical standards for the military services. The last and the final stage will be your final selection is based on the combined score from the NEET UG, the exam you gave, TOELR, and the interview. Afterwards, counseling hogi. Selected candidates will be undergoing the counseling and the admission, often involving a mandatory service bond. यहाँ service bond रहेगा. The last type of the counseling is Ayush counseling. Okay, so you need to visit the website, AACCC website. Finally, for those aspiring to practice the traditional Indian medicine. So NEET UG is also the gateway to Ayush courses like BAMS, BHMS and BUMS. It covers 15% All India quota in government or government aided Ayush colleges. It's open nationally. Secondly, it also covers 100% seats in deemed Ayush universities. 85% स्टेट कोटा रहता है इन गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट आयुष कॉलेजेस फॉर स्टेट डोमिसाइल्ड कैंडिडेट्स. ओके, सो दिस ऑल्सो हैज टू मेन काउंसलिंग पाथवेज. AACCC, आई मीन टू से आयुष एडमिशन सेंट्रल काउंसलिंग कमिटी, इसकी एक ये काउंसलिंग होता है. सो दिस इज फॉर द 15% ऑल इंडिया कोटा इन गवर्नमेंट और गवर्नमेंट एडेड कॉलेजेस एंड 100% सीट्स इन डीम्ड आयुष यूनिवर्सिटीज. The process is very similar to MCC's process, जो ऑनलाइन हम करते हैं. सो यहाँ आपको ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होगा on aaccc.gov.in. उसके बाद चॉइस फिलिंग, सीट अलॉटमेंट्स इन द राउंड्स. सेकेंडली, स्टेट आयुष काउंसलिंग भी होता है जो कंडक्ट करवाता है स्टेट अथॉरिटीज. सो ईच स्टेट हैज इट्स ओन बॉडी टू काउंसिल द 85% स्टेट कोटा सीट. The process is basically similar to the state medical counseling for MBBS, requiring the state-specific registrations, document verifications, and choice fillings on the respective state basically. That too on the Ayush portal. So guys, ये मैंने आपको different types of counseling के बारे में बता दिया है. I hope आप लोगों को अब counseling का process थोड़ा clarity से clear हो चुका है. Still, if you have any doubt regarding the NEET counseling processes, I just want to ask you to please click on the link given below in the comment section basically or in the description box, wherein you can meet our NEET experts, which will be actually helping you out for your NEET counseling processes. So you can just click on the link and meet our experts for the further help. Till then, take care and all the very best.